Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for November 2020. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should have between 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples. As always, if I don't know if something is cruelty-free while I'm filming, I would always display it on the screen right here for you, as well as do the research and put the estimated sample size value there as well. So make sure you're looking at the screen. I mean, you are watching a YouTube video, so look up here and there. I don't know how I feel about this box anymore. I'm kind of thinking maybe it's time to cancel this and try something new. So let me know if you have any boxes you would like me to try, and I will definitely look into them and maybe give them a try. I just feel like it's time to change it up a little bit. I don't know. I just think maybe it's time to try something else. So let me know if you want me to go back to Sephora Play. I can do that one. Or something else. So let me know. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open this up. This is gonna take me a minute. This box is so impossible to open. So see you in a couple minutes once I have it open. Okay, so once we have it out of the outer box, it's gonna be in a little box like this. These are super, super cute. I love their little boxes. I almost wish they just didn't say Birchbox there though, because then I think maybe they could be used more, but they are really cute. I have saved a couple of them that I liked a lot. So inside, it's going to have this little card here. It's going to tell us everything we're getting as well as their full size values. Looks like we're getting 5 items this month. All right, so let's just go ahead and I'm gonna pull out the first thing that I've tried before. This is from Sunday Riley, which is cruelty free. This is the A+ high dose retinoid serum. So it's basically to help with like anti-aging and wrinkles and things like that that people my age deal with. I've tried it before, but the sample is so tiny that I can't see a difference in this, you know what I mean? I use this maybe like 5 times and it's gone, and then I go back to my normal skincare routine. I just, like, this sample is not enough to tell me if it does anything. If you've tried it, maybe let me know if it did anything for you, but I've only, used it a couple times and can't tell you much about it, but it is cruelty free. Let's see, the full size value is $85, which I have a couple, actually I have like a lot of stuff from Sunday Riley that is one of my favorite skincare brands. I just haven't tried that a lot. So it is a very expensive brand though, I will tell you that. Okay, let's go ahead and pull out the next thing. That is something we get a ton in subscription boxes. This is a liquid eyeliner from Ico London, which I have, tried this exact eyeliner before. This is in the shade Black Magic, or maybe that's what it's called. It's a Black Magic liquid eyeliner and wide lash. I don't know what that means. Let me see what the card says. So it lasts up to 14 hours and smudge free. Like I said, I have tried it before. I don't typically reach for the felt tip liquid eyeliners. It's just not my favorite sort of eyeliner. I have been using it because I've been all out of like the pencil, like the twisted liners that I normally enjoy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that in a giveaway just because I know I'm probably not gonna use it. And if I do need a liquid eyeliner, I have tons to choose from. So the full size on that is $22, which seems a little bit expensive to me personally for just a felt tip liner. That's my thoughts. Okay, moving right along, let's pull up the next thing, which is cruelty free. This is from Amika. This is the Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. It is a hair product. I love their packaging. It just looks so fun and retro. Like, this makes me think of the 70s. Like, really, really cute. Their stuff smells really good too. So let me go ahead and see what this smells like. Oh, came right out. There it is. I can't put it's a little bit musky in a way, but it smells so good. I gotta get that off my hand. Yeah, definitely excited to try that. I don't use a ton of hair products. I just don't like it to build up in my hair, but it says it's a moisture styling cream. So moisture, detangle, and defrizz with the sea buckthorn oil-based leave-in cream. So it says distribute throughout damp hair and style as usual. So that's something I would use. I typically do use like a leave-in conditioner or something on my hair when it's wet. I just don't add a ton of product to my hair when it's dry, unless it's just like a hairspray or something like that. Sometimes an oil I will add to if I have a bunch of frizzies. But I definitely will give that a try. I mean, I could probably put this all in my hair in like probably 2 washes. So definitely will use that. Okay, so let's pull out the next thing. This is from Kiss and Smink. Never heard of this brand. This is the Everything in the shade Tulum. So here's the color on the bottom. So I'm thinking it's a lip, cheek, wherever you want to put pink color sort of thing. So it's a multi-use balm, gives skin instant radiance, best applied with fingers, pat onto your cheekbones, cupid's bow, bridge of nose, and eyelids for peachy toned glow. So yeah, I'm not going to use this. I don't enjoy like a cream, pretty much anything on my face except for a foundation, and I have enough lip balms to last me a lifetime. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and throw that in a giveaway. I'm not sure if they're cruelty free. It's not telling me anything about it on the packaging. I would love to swatch it for you guys today, but I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to pass it along to one of you, maybe. And the full size of this Kiss and Smink face, all over face thing, the everything, is $20. So I don't know. I'd have to see how big the full size is, but I don't know. This just ain't my jam, you know. There's some things you love in subscription boxes and some things you just don't. And it's not one size fits all. So yeah, that's just not something I am into. Okay, and we have one last item. This is something from Birchbox. It just says Birchbox. So this looks to be a Jade Roller. It's very tiny, like the handle on it. You know, I have a quartz roller, I think, but I've never tried one of the Jade ones. It feels cool, like nice and cold. So it says, facial rolling in ancient Chinese beauty ritual helps to reduce puffiness, stimulate lymphatic drainage for natural detoxification, boost circulation, and relieve facial tension. Has anybody ever used these and like seen actual results? I would love to know. So it says use a facial oil or serum before to help the roller glide with ease and to help your products absorb better. It says also you can store it in the fridge beforehand for more cooling. It does feel nice, just like relaxing. I don't know. I mean, I'll try it. I've rubbed it all over my face. I can't tell you if it's going to be like a part of my everyday routine, but I'll give it a try. Maybe if I'm feeling super puffy one day. Is valued at $12, which I don't think is too bad of a price. Let me know though. If you ever tried one of these, I would love to hear if you have good or bad experiences with them. All right, so that's everything we got in this month's Birchbox. I think I'm definitely most excited for the Jade Roller just because it's definitely something really different than I've ever received in a subscription box. And the Amika hair thing. Like these are two things I think I may use. I definitely will use the Sunday Riley thing just because I can get through it like in a couple days. The eyeliner I'm going to pass on just because I don't need it. And the Kiss and Smink face, the everything, I'm going to pass that along too. So yeah, overall, not a bad box, not the best box I've ever gotten. But I would love to hear what you guys thought. So let me know down in the comments below if you thought this was a good box. If you thought this was a bad box, let me know. That's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more puppies, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.